Omusamaliro w'ekinimbe Tayari West TV nga kutangerera singa utebusobolero kwamena ninje Mate Isaac omunyamyatse okwawo habwe kinimba Tayari West TV hane Kasese district okwanambye nituli okwabukira bukuru obwe Kasese municipality kandi twamatungaho muisa eri bitukakana yako na principal community development officer habwe Kasese municipality omwame Ruwabwe Wilson. So tukayakanayo nayo atubwere bakaya ebikwekwetu ederangerinde bakahegeta aba street kids Abaana bokosho mbaru tukaze riminya na busana nachi bakaya tuka isho operations ziseno kandi bakaheta okubana abalengererene bangahe oweitu wasinja kuseberikana yako netu abandu bakanze riminya na busana nachi mwabidi asane ebikwekwetu bene.
Wasinja abahulikirira be West TV Tayari West TV amena bakanyita mwa Wilson Ruwabwe. I'm the principal community development officer for Kasese municipality. Yes, it is true. Kasese municipality we have challenges, not we've been having, but we have challenges of street children. You know, in the Western Uganda, when you look at Fort Potro, then you can see the West Angola, you can look at Mbarara and the Angola sub-region, those big towns. It's now Kasese that has the big number of street children. But the reason is simple. Sometimes we live a low life somehow. You imagine like we have cheap services, we have cheap rent houses, cheap food. So it is easier for children to move from either Mbarara, Rubirizi or Fort Potro on Toroko to come and settle here in Kasese. But also we have challenges of domestic violence, poverty, issues of defilement and other cases that force these children on the streets.
So twanganabye itukakana okubana abalingerere ngabanga.
As a municipality we have already gathered the information. We have collected information of around 156 children. We have gathered information on them who we have a feeling that we should now resettle back at their families. But before we go into that resettlement, we want to first have community meetings. We have agreed that we are going to segregate this data. We know how many are from Kirumba sub-county, for example, how many are from Waisumbu, for example, how many are from Katwe, for example. I'm using those sub-counties as examples, not that that's why street children come from. Now, when we have this data segregated, we are going to have community meetings with the people in those sub-counties. And the meetings will include me, the principal CDO, the host of the children, then the CFPU Department of Police, the District Probation Department section, and then the leaders, the local leaders of those communities.
Abandu sometimes bakaspeculating about mukakora cheno habwe marathon. Tukarangira omwezi ukasa probably tukendi bya ni marathon mukasese. So are you doing it for that marathon? When it ends, then it gets back to normal, or in the intervention is permanent?
No, it is a permanent intervention. It's what we've been doing. We've routinely been doing this, only that we don't announce it on media. But just that today you asked me to give you the briefs. But we've been doing it routinely. It is not about the marathon. Ours is to have a clean town. You know, I've cleaned this town. So we want to clean it in every sector. We have now clean roads. We have now clean. So we also want to have a street children-free town. And that is the new strategy that we are going in, and we have a feeling that it will continue. Ultimately, what we want out of this, we have collected data about these children. We are going to engage their communities where they come from. The end result is that we want to arrest the parents who are neglecting their children. So when we finish sensitization meetings, we even make agreements with communities where we shall find these children and we'll say, like, in the next 2 weeks, for example, have your children at home. So if that time reaches and a parent is not bothered to ensure these children go back home, we shall pick this child, take us to your home, this is my parent, and we shall take you for child negligence.
So, isn't it also important, like, to have a child home here? Are you having that proposal?
Of course, that is the Ministry of Gender Arrangement, but we already have a child, what we would call it, what they call a remand home. We have it in Fort Poto. So we cannot have another one. That one is enough for us. Here it is an issue of parenting. We shall not, all children will not stay in children's home. What will you be with at your home? Let's all look after our children, because this is our responsibility as parents. Let's not look at having children in the children's home. Those homes are for the extreme cases. But here you have a child, you're living, you have a family. Why would you prefer your child to go and stay in a children's home? Yes.
Wasinja kutsiba omusamaliri ono Arwe Ruabwe Wilson kandi ni Principal Community Development Officer habwe Kasese Municipality niyo turwe tukakana nayo kumatsi werehe taba street kids koshombaaro eshe Kasese Municipality. So operations yineho erirangerende bakasubo mu byaro bikuwapo tukende mbere neribi tunemukwamirira emyatsi ngeno weitu omusamaliri owe Kinemba ninje Mata Isaac umunyamyatsi wukwawo habwe Kinemba Tayari West TV hane Kasese District.